Hey, welcome back to Detailing World. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new unreleased wax from DetailedOnline. Hi and welcome back to Detailing World. My name's Matt. If this is your first time here, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and you'll get instant notifications on any future updates. In today's video we are going to be reviewing DetailedOnline's latest wax, which at the time of recording this video is currently unreleased. It's called Surreal, but before we can basically apply that and review that, we need to give the car a quick wash. So yeah, we'll crack on with that. Right, so that's the car all washed and rinsed and decontaminated and whatnot now. So yeah, just before we do put the wax on, I'm just going to show you there is no coating on there whatsoever. So yeah, sorry, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. Let's get more jet on it. Yep. There's not a single piece of wax or any protection on that car whatsoever. I've done a full IPA wipe down after washing and decontaminating and all that jazz. So yeah, we'll move on to the wax now. As I said, what I've received is an unreleased item. It's the final formula. It's been sent to us and a couple of the other review guys before they receive the labels to complete the packaging. So yeah, it's just in a plain black tub at the moment, but it will come all branded as DetailedOnline and all that jazz. It's called Surreal. It's a ceramic infused wax. I've never used anything like this myself. And let me just grab my phone 1 second. I'll tell you what Lee over at DetailedOnline has told me. So this is a PM I've received from Lee, and he says, in regards to the application of the Surreal wax, a little goes a very long way. Unlike a lot of the other ceramic infused waxes on the market, application and removal couldn't be easier. The wax will happily sit on the panel for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes before removal. We advise 10 to 15 minutes to ensure adequate cure. He's also put into a PM what the directions and instructions will say on the label once he's received those, and that is as follows. Surreal is a ceramic infused show wax which gives jaw-dropping gloss levels with the added benefit of long-lasting durability of 6 to 9 months. Apply Surreal wax using a clean wax applicator pad using light pressure to achieve a light, even coat. Leave the wax to cure for 10 to 15 minutes before removing with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. A second layer can be applied to achieve maximum coverage. Do not apply in direct sunlight or in hot panels. So there we go. Oh, and I was trying to, well, guess what the fragrance is, but I couldn't, so I had to ask him 1 sec. So yeah, like with any product, open it up and gave it a smell straight away. I couldn't quite figure out what it was. It was one of those smells you know, but you don't know. So I've asked Lee and blah de blah de blah. The Surreal wax is a Tropicana fragrance, which is basically mango, pineapple, coconut and papaya. So there we go, it's a nice tropical one. Let me see if I can smell it now and show you. 1 second. There you go, smell. Go on, how many of you tried it? So yeah, it's a tropical wax. It smells nice, to be fair. So yeah, we'll get this applied and come back to you in a moment. Right, so first impressions, the car hasn't been polished for, I don't know, maybe 6-9 months. I've not clayed it, I've just washed it, removed all the iron, tar and all that jazz. Oh, that goes on so smooth, like it feels like it's gliding over glass, or something in that. It's like we're really well lubricated. I think that's the right word. So yeah, I'm going to leave that to cure for about 10 minutes. It is 5:02 now, so yep, I'm going to leave the other cameras. I'll just run them. I'm just going to whiz around the rest of the car as well. It's such a small car. Yeah, I can probably get the roof done and the boot lid, and then come back and remove this wax. So yeah, we'll do that now then. Right, so first impressions, it goes on very smooth and it smells amazing. I know smells not everything, but it does, it smells amazing. That goes on really well. I've never known a wax like it, to be fair. It also comes off very easy, so although it says, I think it said 10-15 minutes cure time, that had a good 20 minutes on there. It was 5:02 when I finished waxing the bonnet. Because of messing around with cameras and whatnot, it was about 25 past by the time I took it off. So it's about 25 minutes that's had sat on the bonnet, and it's come off the bonnet, the roof and the boot lid very easy. So I'm just going to put the cameras down for a sec. I'm going to wax the rest of the car, and then we'll come back in a moment and just do one more little bit of testing. Right, so first impressions of this new wax. I'll be honest, I really do like it. It smells amazing. It feels really nice when you apply it. You know, it's like just rubbing butter all over or something. It really is a great wax, and it's a great wax for first time detailers as well. So if you've never applied a proper car wax, I would definitely recommend something like this. Price wise, I think it's between £12 and £20 depending on what size pot you buy. Don't know what the price of this is yet. As I say, it's currently unreleased, but I'm sure by the time this video is up, it'll be on their website. It does seem to have a bit of gloss, but I'm not going to comment too much on that. You know, sun changes and all that jazz. Without a gloss reading, I can't exactly say yes it adds more gloss, no it doesn't. So we'll not really mention that at the moment. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put this camera back on the tripod. It's pretty much the end of the video, but I'm going to do some water testing, so check out the beading and does it sheet well. So yeah, before I do that, as always, if you've liked this video, then make sure you hit that like button. If you're not already, then make sure you click subscribe, and also click the bell icon to get instant notifications. We'll be doing more giveaways soon, and hopefully with more of these reviews, I will want to be giving away the products that I'll be reviewing. I'm just going to keep hold of this wax for the time being, just because I want to try some more wax comparisons in the future. If you haven't already, there's the lava snow foam review up there as well, and that's also from DetailedOnline. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.